Protecting confidential information in a PDF document is easy with redaction. Don't be fooled into thinking that placing a black box over the text you want to hide is enough. Only by using the redaction tool can you permanently remove content to keep it safe. Let's look at how easy it is to redact sensitive information. First, open Foxit PDF Editor Pro. For this example, I'll use a W-9 form. To start, let's fill out the form by inputting name, city, state, and zip code. Next, I'll input my Social Security number. Now that the form is completed, I want to redact my Social Security number since it's very confidential information. To start, go to the Protect tab. Then click the Mark for Redaction button and select Text and Images. And a pop-up message will inform you that you have to first mark the text you want to redact. Once you have marked the text, you must apply redaction to make it effective. Click over OK to continue. Next, draw a box around the Social Security number to mark it. Then go to Mark for Redaction again and click Apply Redaction. You can use customized overlay text or add one or multiple redaction codes. To add multiple code entries at once, right-click over the selected area that will be redacted and choose Properties. Next, choose Overlay Text and Redaction Code, then select the first entry that you want to add and click over Add Selected Entry. Repeat the same process for the second entry. Once you finish adding entries, click over OK, and now you can see the redaction mark has 2 code entries. If you want to redact multiple occurrences of a specific word or number from a document, you can easily do it with the Search and Redact tool. For this example, I would like to redact all the email addresses that are showed in this contract. To do it, click over Search and Redact on the Protect tab. Here you can look for words, patterns, or even create redaction profiles for reuse later. For this example, we will use the pattern option to redact all the emails included in this contract. Start by checking the pattern box, then choosing the United States as the country, and then email addresses as the pattern. Next, click Search. As you can see, it brings up all the email addresses within the document. To redact them, just check all boxes from the Search panel and click on Mark Checked for Redaction. Finally, click Apply Redaction and all the email addresses are redacted. Additionally, you can create redaction profiles to be reused later. To do it, choose Redaction Profiles from the drop-down menu on the search window. Then click over Create and give the name to the profile. Next, enter the word that you want to be searched and the overlay text that you want to be used when the word is redacted. For this case, we'll use one word, but you can add as many words and overlay text as you wish. Lastly, click on Save and Search. Mark all the findings and apply redaction. If you want to use the same redaction profile in a future opportunity, you just need to choose the same profile. Now that the sensitive information is well protected, you can save and share.